Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline inside Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is to open up your Roblox game and then create an account or sign in. I'm going to quickly sign in. And now from here with your friends, I don't have any friends on this account, but if you got any friends, you can see some friends are online and some friends are offline. If a friend is online, they've got a little green circle next to the left of their name. If they don't have a green circle, that means they're appearing offline or they are offline. So to appear offline, you want to click on the three horizontal dots or three dots on the top, bottom right hand corner of the screen here. Now from here, we need to navigate lower and click into settings. So go ahead and click on the gear icon there. And then from settings, look for privacy and content maturity. Click into that. And now under settings here, we've got visibility and private servers. Go ahead and click into that. And we've got visibility again, click that. And then as it states here, when you restrict one of these settings, other related settings may also be restricted. So show current experience for everyone, friends, followers, friends, follower, people, friends, no one. And at the bottom, we'll say who can see your current experience and join you. So if you want to appear offline, just go ahead and click no one. And then it will say current experience and related settings is updated. And now below that, it will say share activity update. So go ahead and toggle that off as well.